Good morning, guys. It's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're over 1,000 subscribers. It's so insane. The last time I checked, we had 122, which is freaking amazing and awesome. So if you guys want to hit the subscribe button, that'd be sweet. I would love to have you guys join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video. Today I have no school because it's a Friday and I only have classes on Monday through Thursday, which is really nice. I don't have much planned for the day. I'm trying to figure out what kind of video we're going to be putting in here, so that should be interesting. And then I will see you guys. Actually, no. I'm going to go put my tripod on and then we'll go do our advent calendar for today. Alright, let's go open our advent calendar. Should probably turn the light on. Alright, so today's day 7. That's right. Oops, sorry. Right here. So I'm going to set you guys up and I will get it out. Alright, so in here, if I can get it out. This is what we got. It is the cream lip stain in, I want to say, rouge. I'm looking. In 01. And it looks like this. It's not bad. I've never tried one of their lipsticks, so that'd be cool to try. It's just a stain though, so I don't know how I'm gonna like it. Hey guys, I'm back. I just went to the gym to go work out, and then I had to do some running around at Target and Giant Eagle. So today, for our little sit-down chat that we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna be talking to you about my idea of what the best brushes are to do a full face of makeup. And this is just my idea. And also, if you... I got a bunch of crap on my makeup stand, sorry. If you have any other brushes that you use that you think are awesome as well, put them down in the comment section below. I would love to know what brushes you use because I'd love to try them. I love brushes. Like, I have an abundance. When you see my makeup collection, you will see my brushes. It's insane. If you hear barking in the background, those are my neighbor's dogs. They're super annoying. Alright, so let's get into it. The first brush that I use to blend out my foundation after I've already used a beauty blender, because I'm just that type of person, I will use the Y6 brush by Morphe. I know that it's very affordable, but I don't know the price because it says it's sold out. And then if you look on Beauty Bay, it doesn't translate the price right from Euro to United States prices. But this blends out your foundation so well, and I love it. If you have a Morphe store, like, go pick yourself up one. But like Ohio, yeah, we don't have a Morphe store, so we just banked on Ulta having it, and Ulta doesn't have this, so you have to get it online, which is sold out. But this works perfect, and it's also a kabuki brush, which is awesome for when it comes to doing foundation. Highly recommend this brush. To blend concealer out, I use the Morphe M536. This brush came in with Laura Lee's favorites. I bought that brush set like in the summer, and she made this brush. This brush retails, because they still sell them now, this brush retails on its own for $8. It has the rounded tip right here, which makes it so easy to blend out your concealer. You can literally like get in there to blend it out, because I do patting motions with almost everything I do other than with eye makeup and bronzer and blush. But like this, I would do patting motions. I don't rub because then it can get into my fine lines underneath my eyes, and that is not good. But this works so good to blend out the concealer, to set the concealer, and to like use setting powder underneath the eye. I use the Y11 brush. This is by Morphe as well. I don't have the price of this though. It's on the website. I believe it's probably like $8. That's what the like price range is about for all the other ones. This though is a contouring brush. I don't like to contour. I just bronze my face. I don't contour because I already got like a skinny little face. There's nothing really to contour. but it's perfect for setting the concealer underneath your eyes with setting powder, because just like the M536 brush, this can get right in the corner of your eye and pack in that powder so good, and then it's not going to, it's very soft and it's not going to feel rough. That's what I was going to say, but soft came first, so I finished my other sentence. And then the next thing for setting the whole base is this setting brush, and this is the Powder Play Bamboo Pressed Powder Brush by Tarte. It is $23. It's on sale right now. They're also having this big, huge sale going on. It is big to get the whole face, as you can see, but look at it compared to my face. Like, it's literally my one cheek would be done, but I use it in motions like this. And it's just easy because you just take your setting powder and you just dunk it in there, and then you literally, I like shake it sometimes to get like the excess off, and then I apply that all over my face and I rub to get my neck. This works because it's really dense. Another brush you could use is something that's like this blending brush as well, but it's more soft and less dense than this one, because this one you can tell is. But this one I will grab too if I cannot find this one right away. If you see me looking down, I have my list of the brushes and some facts about them down here because I want to inform you guys about them. So those are down there. And then next, usually my step, I do bronzing for when it comes to powders. So this is a contour brush originally. This is by Tarte as well, but this is from the holiday collection last year. So the price for it is unknown because it's not sold separate from their brush sets that they have, because they sell it in their brush sets but not separately. But this is from a holiday collection last year. But any brush, I believe, any brush that is like this big and like this kind of angle will be great for doing bronzing, because you want a bigger brush for bronzing. At least I find that easier, and I see other beauty gurus out there use it. They use a bigger brush because one, it gets the area more big, because you can either go like this way or like this with it, and you can like get a bigger area with this very well. It's nice and soft, and it, like, I have a couple hairs right now that are coming up because I'm a little rough sometimes when I use this, but this is a really good brush. I don't know the price for this as well. I'm sorry about that. The next is a blush brush, and this is the E4 by Morphe. This is $14. I think the reason why it is $14 is because of the brush. It is like the hairs on it, because it's like two-toned, I believe, compared to like, I mean, they're all really two-tone. I don't know. This is $14, which is fine because this is the perfect angle brush for blush. That is a mouthful. I think it is like the perfect size for you to be able to apply blush, and it's so easy to blend it with your blush still on here too. It literally, I go like this with it or like this. I think it's amazing for doing your brush. I think it's amazing for when you're doing your blush. I really like it, and I'd recommend the E4 for blush. Then a stippling brush, because I use a stippling brush to blend in my blush and my bronzer, and this is a stippling brush I use. This is just one from BH Cosmetics. It's $6.50 on its own, or you can get like a big bundle of BH Cosmetics brushes for like 20 bucks, not even sometimes. I like this brush so much because it is very affordable. This was also one of my very first brushes because that's the brush set I got and I used to use. And this is great for blending your bronzer and blush together, because you know how sometimes like you place them so next to each other that you can tell like there's a line of blush and then goes your bronzer. So this really helps to blend it all together, and I also use this to blend my bronzer as well on its own. Next is highlighting. So the highlighting brush I use, and you do not need to use this one, you can use a Morphe one as an alternative, but I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. This is $25, this little nugget. It applies highlight so evenly though. Like, I love this brush. I use so many other brushes to do highlight, and this is always the one I gravitate towards and grab. The product doesn't stick to the brush as much, like it literally will sit on top of here and you will use every product that's on it, and it's easy to tap off the excess of the product on here. I would really recommend this one, but if not, you can always use, I will grab it for you right here. Can always use the Morphe R36 brush, and this is also really good for doing highlight as well. It's a cheaper alternative than this one. And then on to eyes. So there are at least five eye brushes that I use constantly. As soon as I got Morphe brushes from Christmas last year, I got like the little like eye sleigh set. As soon as I got that, I stopped using my other eye brushes and I've only touched my Morphe ones. They apply eyeshadow and everything so well and evenly. It's so nice. And they're very easy to work with and blend. So the first brush I have is I just gotta find it, so bear with me because I grabbed them all at the same time. The M573 brush. As you can tell, this has been used. I haven't cleaned it because I literally just used it this week. But this is what the brush looks like. My dog just poked her head through the door. This is what this brush looks like. This is a blending brush and it's nice, and a lot of product just came back off of it. Whoops. But it is so nice to blend, and this is what I use to start my crease shade first. I do a lot of things backwards than what they're supposed to be used for, but this I use to apply my crease shades, my beginning shade, most of my shades except for the outer V. I use a completely different brush for that, and I will show you the two that I use. To get deeper into the crease, this brush is also $6 as well. To get even deeper into the crease, I use the M330 brush, and that's what this brush is. And I use this for when I want to deepen up the, crease, but I don't want to go up into where my eyeshadow is right here. I want it more like legitly in my crease. Alright, sorry about that brief interruption. My camera battery died and I had to change it. So we were on the M330 brush. That brush is also $6. And the next brush is the M139. I placed it down and I don't know where it went. It is this brush. This is a blending brush as well for the crease, but it comes to a point, so there's that. This is $3. I use this brush to blend everything out once I have it already on my lid. So like always keep a brush that's like clean to the side so you don't have to use it, and this is the type of brush that I use for that so that I can help blend better. Next brush is the R39 brush. This is right here. This is $6, and I will use this brush to clean up my edges around my eyes and to blend out the eyes if the M319 brush is dirty or I'm using it to deepen more of the crease in. Oh wait, I'm sorry. And I also use this brush to apply the outer corner color, or like the outer corner color of my mascara, of my eyeshadow. And this is the M139, and this is the R39. This also is just only used for blending all of my eyeshadow together. Then to do the underneath, to smoke out the lower lash line, I use the E36 brush. Look at this little itty bitty baby brush. Oh, sorry. So cute. This is the brush that I use to smoke out my lower lash line, and it's so nice and blends like super easily too as well, and it makes sure that it gets all the product very nice and precise underneath your lash line. So most of my brushes are either from Morphe or Tarte that I have showed you today, and then there's the one that's the Anastasia one, and then the BH Cosmetic. I don't know what my hair's doing over there. Oh well. So I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below what kind of brushes you use to apply over your face, which ones you think work the best for you, because I would love to try out different brushes. I love brushes. Like when I tell you I love them, I mean I love them. And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys tomorrow for our 8th day of Vlogmas. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye guys.